Hi, dear friends, today I offer you a PP recipe of delicious diet cupcakes, with which you will not deny yourself the pleasure of eating a delicious dish, but also will not harm your figure. Lovers of delicious and flavorful pastries, sometimes it is difficult to restrain themselves when dieting. This airy dessert will blow you away, delicious and low-calorie. Ingredients: soft cottage cheese 120 grams, eggs 2 pieces, rice flour 5 tablespoons, baking powder 0.5 teaspoon, light cheese 50 grams. I have mozzarella, salt to taste, any greens to taste. Preparation: in a bowl, mix cottage cheese or ricotta cheese and eggs until homogeneous massed. I have, instead of cottage cheese, ricotta cheese, and I rubbed on a fine grater so that the mass was homogeneous. I added a pinch of salt, rice flour, and baking powder. If your cottage cheese is dry, I recommend reducing the amount of rice flour 100 grams or 4 tablespoons. Mix well. Grate cheese. I have mozzarella, but you can use any, on a fine grater and add to the dough. Chop herbs. You can take more of any herbs like parsley, dill, but my kids are not very fond of herbs, so I add a little bit to the dough. Stir. All the ingredients should be evenly distributed. I pour the dough into muffin cups, filling them about 2/3 of the way. I got 8 pieces from the above ingredients. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes, until the muffins are browned and risen. These are ready and tasty cheese muffins. You can serve them as a separate dish or with a sauce of your choice. Thank you for joining me in making these healthy gluten-free and sugar-free cheese muffins. I hope you enjoyed my recipe and enjoy every bite of this delicious and healthy dessert. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video with your friends. It inspires me to make new interesting videos. Click the bell to not miss new healthy recipes. See you in new videos and enjoy.